There's the first pole with the stand on top. Nice and tall, 3.65 I think we came in on, 3.65 metres. Right, the platform goes across the top of the two square ones, side to side. Rope goes through the handrails at the top, end to end. You walk through the middle of it that way. And there's our log. Cut in and around the angle at the front and the angles at the two sides at the back, just to allow the log to sit down onto the surface up there. Same at the other end but without the angles because we haven't got any there yet, but we're going to work around it as opposed to through it on that one, because we don't have the upstands down that way. We don't have the platforms for the upstands, so that we can create whatever we want down that end, so that will be nice and easy anyway. We'll get there when we get there. Alright, so I'm up on top of this log on a play ladder. That's all we've got. I need to fix my platform definitely for tomorrow. So here we are. This is the band. This is gas bottle all the way to the top, and then this is I believe this is a rear brake disc, because the front ones they come to about there, and there's two discs joined together with fins, so there's air coming out the back of them, because the fronts always do more braking than the rear on a car, in case you didn't know that. And there's an air gap slot down there, so as it spins it draws air through there and out the side, and that's it. Cool quicker anyway. This is a single, so we've welded it on there all the way around, and we're going to plonk that with the nice shiny bits there other way up on top, just like that one. And the face of it is going to be exactly parallel to this bar, and there's a funny loopy bridge thing going on it, made out of those little bent bits of trampoline down there, which are already cut up and sorted out for the shape, and we're going to utilise the holes in them exactly the same way they would be if they were a trampoline, but slightly different layout with the actual ring itself. So we'll get there anyway. They're going to slot into these two things here, and there's two on there. Don't know if you can make them out, hanging down there. And the supports for the top to stop it from swaying are going to come from the top there and go down to there. So we've got our three from the top down to the top on that one, and then we're going to go top to the bottom, and we're going to put four on because we can, and it's probably safer as it's so high up. We don't want it to snap off and kill people. This is a sanding disc on a grinder. It is 24 grit and very, very quick at removing stuff. So good, in fact, I'm going to use it on metal. Unlike the normal use that I use it for, which is wood, I use it for carbon wood a lot. It's very, very good at getting all the old junk off and getting back to bed. It's nice to get level on things as well if you know how to use it. It's very good. Anyway, 24 grit, you can go down to 20 grit, and 35 is kind of a good one for wood to start with, because if you go any lower than that, you end up taking chunks of the stuff out, and it's a little bit too violent. Right, so going well. All the bobbles and stuff left on after the weld are all off. We're back to clean metal, good enough for painting at least with oxide paint, and on to the next step. Okay, that's the tips of the upstands, cleaned, ready to go on to the top of the pole, and the disc has been well brushed off. I'm going to run this over it just to get a little bit of shine out of it so that the welding will become easier. Okay. Well, dude. First bit of bridge. Oh yeah. Once again. So, that crow's nest of awesomeness is up there with his matching brother. Sorry, that was the opposite way around. And the bridge will be going, oh that's difficult, in between the two. That's really difficult there, we go. Yeah, mirror image camera lens. Anyway, there we go, it's up. Okay, welding on begins, tacking up first, and then we're going to use our dissimilar rods to attach it to the disc because it's got a high carbon content, so we'll see how this works and get back to you. Going up a ladder now. We're now tacked on, it is safe, it's not going to fall on our heads, luckily. Okay, back in a minute. Lunchtime. Dissimilar rods bridge gaps really well, apparently. Good to know. Okay, so I don't know if you can see behind me, but the archways are up.